In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Word format document out of ChatGPT. It's a straightforward process that requires a series of simple steps, ensuring that you can quickly turn your text conversations into a Word document for easy access and sharing. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and hit Enter. You'll see a list of results showing different links related to ChatGPT. Go ahead and click on the official ChatGPT website link. This action will take you to the main landing page of the ChatGPT platform. It's here where you can initiate the process of generating a Word document. Once you're on the ChatGPT site, navigate through the homepage and locate the Chats section. This area contains all the conversations you've had with ChatGPT. Simply select the particular conversation for which you want to create a Word document. Clicking on it will open up the entire chat history, allowing you to review the content and ensure it's the correct conversation you want to export. Next, at the bottom of the chat window, you'll find a search bar. Click into this search bar and type a specific prompt that is designed to generate a downloadable document version of your conversation. A suitable prompt example might be, generate a downloadable Word document version. This prompt signals ChatGPT to prepare the conversation in a downloadable Word format for you. After typing the prompt, you'll see a Submit or Enter button. Click on this to proceed with the request. The system will then work on generating your Word document. Keep an eye on the on-screen instructions or notifications, as they will guide you on the progress of your document generation. Once the document is ready, you'll see an option to download it. Simply click on the Download button, and the file will automatically save to your computer's designated download folder. Finally, check your downloads in the upper right corner of your browser window. You should see the newly downloaded Word document file there. Open the file to review your converted conversation. Congratulations! You've successfully turned your ChatGPT interactions into a Word format document. And there you have it, a seamless way to convert your virtual conversations into accessible and shareable Word documents. This method allows you to retain important information, share ideas, or keep a record of your interactions conveniently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.